Mike Hughes here. I'm at Divesoft, and I'm here with Joseph. And you want to tell us a little bit about your new, what do we have product here?
So my name is Joseph from Divesoft. We have our new Freedom Force that we will be releasing very soon.
Okay.
It's for our sport diving market. It's a new computer that's got wireless charging. It's air integrated. It has an air integrated system as well, and it has a compass.
Okay, how do you make the compass go on it?
So we have our compass system.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, straight from there. So you can see we have our bottoms kind of on the bottom, our buttons on the bottom side of the computer.
Right.
And it based off the full software of our Freedom computers as well. So it's very common with our Liberty rebreather unit and our Freedom computers.
So that's coming out soon, so we won't talk about it right now.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah. It's
perfect.
coming out
It's
very
under
soon.
wrap.
Exactly. It's
okay. I'll keep that secret.
Yeah. We also have our analyzer as well.
Mm-hmm.
This is kind of our other version of our analyzer. This is made out of a Delrin body, so it's going to go for a little bit cheaper. This system has the same software as our other analyzer. The difference is that it does not have the connection feed as our old unit.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So basically, it's just a standalone analyzer.
Or rest alone.
Rest alone, right? Are you counting?
Okay.
So,
cool.
But it does oxygen and helium. It uses our helium sensors inside. The same helium sensors that we use in our Liberty head.
Okay, and if they want more information about these products?
More information, you can visit us at divesoftus.com.
Okay.
Okay.
That's probably somewhere around here.
Exactly, yeah, we have it.
Oh, here we have it down here. I'll just go right down to it. Divesoftus.com. Perfect.
You can find us on YouTube as well, Divesoft.
Oh, you'll see it on YouTube, definitely.
Perfect.
Except for the one there that isn't out yet.
It's not out yet.
Perfect.
Secret.
Thank you.